Hi, my name is Alexandria. I've been traveling Southeast Asia for almost 7 months now, and in this time frame I've learned a lot about travel essentials, traveling lightly, and tips and tricks that I would have loved to know at the start of my journey. So I'm currently in Indonesia and I leave for Vietnam tomorrow. I had a really great time, but definitely something I've learned is that I wasn't traveling light, although I thought that I was. So in this video I want to share with you a detailed list of what I'm actually going to be taking with me. This list covers everything you need for warm climate travel. For example, in Southeast Asia, South and Central America, Europe in summer. First, we have essential items. I keep them with me or locked in my bag at all times. These are my travel essentials for travel days, especially good quality earplugs. I use loop earplugs. The bulk of my luggage is made up of clothes. I started downsizing by sorting them into piles, and this is what made it into the yes pile. A nice dress is great for events, nights out, dates. The same goes with a long skirt, and it can also be used for temples. I only take 3 pairs of shoes with me. I use a Ziploc bag to keep my important documents safe, like my international driver's permit and a laminated copy of my passport. I always carry toilet paper with me because bidets are more common in Southeast Asia. Very clean outdoor toilet that I'm going to use next to the chickens and at the back of their house. Remember carry-on liquid limits. Take only what you need and buy what you can at your destination. Multi-purpose items are amazing. This black long sleeve, I use it for warmth, but I also used it as a rashi when I was surfing a lot in Indonesia. Another great multi-use item that I could not travel without is a sarong or Turkish towel. It has so many uses, like a beach cover-up, blanket on long journeys. I really can't stress this one enough. I learned the hard way that you should avoid white because clothes get damaged when you wear them often. You wouldn't even think of it, but sunscreen, frequent laundering, dusty roads, they all obliterate your clothes, and if they're white, it's even worse. These are fresh at the laundry. I wore them twice. And this is the discoloring from just sweating. Be aware that you need to wear modest clothing in some countries because of either religion, like in Indonesia and Malaysia. This is the Kapitan Keleng Mosque. Or because of cultural and safety reasons. Packing cubes are essential for organization, especially these compression packing cubes. Essential features of a backpack. Get a bag that opens like a suitcase. It makes accessing and organizing things so much easier. Carry straps are an essential feature for me. It makes carrying a backpack comfortable, and it's essential for hiking. I learned from my dad to always get bags that have so many different compartments. And also carabiners, which are also my dad's. They come in super handy. An air tag helps me keep track of my backpack, which has my laptop and other important documents. And remember that you always have to carry your own things, so yeah, if no one else is going to do it for you. So if it's heavy and you're just this little girlie with your huge backpacks on, it's not enjoyable. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved it, and I hope it helps you in your future travels.